Today I'm doing a review on a blind box of diamond painting coasters. Now, this was sent to me free of charge for an honest review. And what this is a set of coasters. They're a 2-pack, and you don't know what you're going to get. That's why they call it a blind box, because you have no idea what you're going to get until you get it and you open it. So I will leave a link to this company in my description box so that y'all can go check this out. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open it and see what this first set is. Again, I have no clue because they just randomly stick 2 sets of coasters into this bag and they send them to you. So we'll leave one right there and we'll open this one. Now, I love getting this kind of thing because it's exciting. You have no idea what you're going to get. It's like getting a present from somebody. You don't know what the person's going to buy you for your birthday or, you know, whatever. So this is fun. This is really exciting. A lot of people, they don't like getting these blind boxes because they like to know what they're getting. But I think every once in a while, it's kind of fun, you know, just not knowing. So, it comes with a standard toolkit, which is your pink pen, green boat, and a square of wax. It's going to come with your drills and your crystals, whatever it is that you need to do these. And this is what they sent me. So it comes with this metal coaster stand. So when you get done with these, you can just put them in there and then you can just go put them in whatever room you need your coasters in. So let's look and see what the images are. So these are acrylic. So that means that they're plastic. They're going to have a plastic coating on the back of each one of these that you're going to pull off. Okay. They have that on there so that they keep from getting scratched and everything. So we've got this one. And I will leave a link in my description box for this company. And then that way you can go check them out for yourself. That one's pretty. I like those blues and yellows together. Those are the last 2. So it looks like you get an 8-pack of coasters. And it looks like it's going to be mixed with, we're going to have some crystals and some regular drills. Now I'm going to go through these real quick. I don't want this video to be extremely long. So these are the colors. Very pretty. So that's your colors. So I think they're really nice. They really are. And I am not mad about this because I don't have anything like this in my stash. And yeah, I like these. And this would go with any kind of decor. So alright. I like this one. So let's look at the second set and see what they look like. And you just put those right back down in there. Put all of that over there. That way I know that goes with that. Alright, so here is the second set. And like I said, it is a 2-pack of mystery coasters. They're just random. They just pick 2 random sets of coasters and send them to you. So here is the standard toolkit. Here are the crystals. And then we have got these, same thing. You've got a metal coaster stand. These are acrylic. Same thing. This has got a film over the top of it. And then we have got these. Ooh, that is pretty. So, again, you have no clue what you're getting. And they have different ones. They're not all just patterns like these. Ooh, look at that one. So this is also a set of 8. So very pretty. I like them. So we'll open these real quick and look at these. And I like being surprised every once in a while. So these are really, really neat, I think. Some people don't like it, but I do. So here are the colors that's going to go on this one. And again, there's a mix of, you got your crystals. There's all of your crystals. And then you've got a couple packs of just regular drills. So you just take this film off the front, and then you can put your crystals and stuff on there. But yeah, these are really nice. So what do y'all think? Would y'all give this a try? The not knowing what you're gonna get, I think it's pretty good. The only thing that I wish they would include is the sticker cork backing that most of the coasters come with. That would be great to include. So yeah. So this is really nice. I don't have a problem with this. I'll leave a link to this company and everything in my description box for y'all to check out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.